Okay, so a lot of times you get asked, what do you do if you lose orientation of the bird, or you don't know which direction is which? The first thing you need to do is not panic. Now, it's easier said than done because you have thousands of dollars up in the air and you don't know which way it's going to go, and you tend to freak out. But you definitely don't want to panic. You just want to let go of the sticks. If you let go of the sticks, it'll hover in place. If you have a decent amount of charge on the battery, it'll hover there for a little while. Once you let go of the sticks, you can slowly try pushing forward and trying to notice which direction the drone takes. And this is where a spotter can really help, because they can sort of see the orientation a little bit better than when you're really concentrating on the flying. Once you find out which direction it's going to fly when you push forward, you just want to rotate it around till that direction is coming back to you, and then bring it back home. Now, if you're close to the ground and you panic or something's happening where you just don't know what's going to happen, probably the best thing you can do, unless you have wires overhead, is just throttle up quickly and get that thing away from the ground. Get it up into the air where it's not going to hit anything. That way you can recover and you can do all those steps again to find your way back home. If all else fails, throttle up, get some height, and then hit the return to home, and it will come back to home. It knows where it lives, so it'll come right back to you. So I don't want to say it's idiot proof, but it works for me. So try that next time.